Okay, this is a short video showing you how these labels work. Essentially, they allow you to use non-genuine cartridges in place of the genuine Primera cartridges. The exact same quality, exact same results, except a lot cheaper. So with each sticker you'll get two sets of black labels and two sets of colours, which means you can do two complete sets of inks. So what you do is cut along the lines, like so. I'm just going to cut out one set because I only need one. Set it off to the side. So that's my black one. This is the colour one. You don't have to be incredibly neat, just try and keep most of the barcode in it. And that leaves you with this. You don't need to cut out right around the black if you don't want to. It's actually maybe makes it a little easier if you leave some extra on. And then I have two cartridges. This is the colour one and the black one. These are non-genuine ones that I bought off Amazon for about I think it was about £6 or about $10 a set. So if you place the cartridges like this, that's the black on the left and the colour on the right. Here is my black one. On the black one, once I separate it, it's a bit tricky. The blue part of the barcode goes to the left as you look at it this way, and the barcodes go at the very end of the cartridge. So, like so. So that's that one, and if you just line up the edge of the red so that the whole barcode is displayed on the top. So that's that one done. On the colour barcode, the blue also goes to the left hand side, so like that. So if I just separate this, and that goes like so. And just stick those down to keep it secure. So there you go, and as far as your Primera 2 or Primera XR publisher is concerned, these are genuine cartridges. I'll put them in the machine and print the disc off so you can see how that works. Okay, so this is one of my Primera XR machines. If I just open it up and push the cartridge change button while the door is open, it moves the cartridges into the middle. If I just zoom in you can see a bit closer. And go a bit. And colour one first. And the black one. And then close it up, unlock it. You will see that it will, over here, it will scan them. The LED, which is just there. And they recognise it's genuine, as you can see from the two lights. So now I'll print the disc off and you can see it printing and the quality it gives. As far as the printer is concerned, these are genuine Primera inks. They're just much cheaper. I've also sped this up a lot. This is the original image, and here is the printed disc. And as you can see, the quality is pretty good, exact same quality, and the printer does no difference, and for a fraction of the price. If you want to buy some of these, the link for my eBay listing is in the description.